Hello, in this video we show how to use dictionary comprehensions in Python. So similar as list comprehensions, a dictionary can also be created using so-called dictionary comprehensions. So this is a type of dictionary comprehension because in braces we use a dictionary type element here. So number, colon, number, square, 2, then with a for loop. So this is similar as in list comprehension where there's only one item. So list comprehension is, for example, number for number in numbers. So this is list comprehension. But here number, colon, number, square, 2 for number in numbers. This is a dictionary comprehension. So next we show several examples in Python, and you can also download this source file from this website's download link. Then we go to Python and open this file, find the position for dictionary comprehensions. So the form for dictionary comprehensions is the key value expression pair, then a for loop. And after the for loop, we can also add if conditional test. So we show several examples. So the first one is very simple. Numbers is a list. Then we create a dictionary by using dictionary comprehension. And this dictionary called squares dict because we want to store the number and its square with a pair for each number. So we use number, colon, number square, then for each number in numbers. This is a list. So it's done and we print. So now the result is a dictionary with each number and its the value, each number with the key and its square as the value. So next, this is an example for working with the letters for the character. And we create a scalar with a letter. Then we create dictionary. And in this dictionary, the key is each letter and the value is count number of how many number of this letter in this word. So we use letter and word dot count letter for letter in word. So this is the key value pair and this is the for loop. The result will look like the letter and its count number, letter and its count number, and so on. But you can see here, because, for example, letter has a 2T and a 2E, so the count operation will work 2 times for E and T. So a better way can use set word instead of word in the dictionary comprehension. So we use again. And of course the result is the same, but it's a more elegant way. So next example, we show how to combine with a list comprehension if we use if conditional test. So for example, we create a list of 4 words and we want to count the length of the words with the value in the dictionary and with the key for each word. Then, after the for loop for word in words, we add an if conditional test if length word is larger than 5. So which means we only want to get information for word and length pair of only if the length of the word is larger than 5. Then the result is stored in a dictionary called long words dict. Then we print this dictionary, and now there are only two value pair, key value pair, and the key is this word and the value is the length of this word. And the last example is from the original dictionary, we will create a new dictionary based on the key value pairs from the original dictionary. Then we will transform the key to the uppercase and the value pair times 10. So we create this original dictionary first with 3 key value pair, and the key is the word, and key is the word for fruit, and value is index 1, 2, 3. Then we create a dictionary using dictionary comprehension, and the key value pair here is the key dot up function, and the value is the value times 10. Then we use this key value from the original dictionary's item function, item method. So from this item method, from the original dictionary, we'll return a key value pair one by one. Then from this key value pair, we will create a new value in new dictionary. And we show the result. So now the result is a dictionary with 3 key value pair, but the key value pair are capitalized from the original dictionary, and the value are the original dictionary's value times 10. Thanks for watching.